Hello everyone, today's word of the week is kalenteri. Kalenteri. So kalenteri means calendar in Finnish, just a regular calendar. Kalenteri. 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 Actually, I chose this word because I wanted to show you something cool. This would also be called a kalenteri. So this is one of those notebook calendars or like a planner, I guess it would be called in English. In Finnish, you could call this a kalenteri. You could also call it, they sell these in the shops under the name Lukuvuosi kalenteri. You might also find it under the name Viikko kalenteri. So Viikko is week calendar, Viikko kalenteri, because it goes by week each page. The reason I wanted to show this to you is because I collaborated with a brand called Dream Big Planner. Haha, obviously, it's on the cover. And I'm not getting paid for this or anything, but she just asked me to submit a quote to her, and she was collecting different females quotes from different females from different countries. I submitted a quote and it's actually in this planner. I will find it, wait a second. Here, under Finland, right at the end of 2023. So the quote that I submitted was sisu, a Finnish word describing the mindset of courage and determination in the face of adversity. Whatever our goals for this year may be, remember that consistency is more important than perfection. Take small steps every day, and 365 days later, those small steps will accumulate to one large leap. So, let's channel our inner sisu, visualize where we want to be, and take that first small step toward reaching our goals, no matter how scary it may seem. Let's do it. Circling back to kalenteri. 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 Hope you can remember that word because it is quite useful. Kalenteri.